This is a shovel. I dig the soil for flowers. This is a small plant. I plant flowers beside the fence. This is a watering can. I water the plants every morning. These are garden scissors. I prune the leaves very carefully. This is a garden rake. I rake dry leaves every afternoon. These are annoying weeds. I weed the garden very slowly. This is fresh corn. I harvest vegetables from the garden. This is a ripe tomato. I pick tomatoes very carefully. This is a garden shovel. I use the shovel to move soil. This is a garden spray. I spray water on the flowers. This is soft mulch. I spread mulch around the plants. These are tiny seeds. I sow seeds in the garden. These are beautiful flowers. I smell fresh flowers every morning. This is a tall tree. I sit under the tree every afternoon. This is a colorful butterfly. I watch the butterfly near flowers. This is a giant sunflower. I grow bright sunflowers every summer. This is a garden hose. I use the hose to water plants. These are garden tools. I clean my tools after gardening. This is a vegetable basket. I carry fresh vegetables in the basket. These are garden gloves. I wear gloves while gardening. This is rich soil. I touch the soft soil carefully. These are green leaves. I clean the leaves every morning. This is a fresh carrot. I pull the carrot from the soil. This is a flower pot. I place flowers inside the pot. This is a wooden fence. I plant flowers beside the fence. These are little birds. I hear the birds every morning. These are sweet strawberries. I picked fresh strawberries today. This is warm sunlight. I enjoy the sunlight in the garden. This is my beautiful garden. I relax inside the garden every evening. This is garden English. I practice English while gardening every day.